torn slip but not by another. We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame.
Mpola umado wezo na miva ndi onaji egbeto han gale toke bo ngba TV ya pome mile apo yingba to fon keke wi adan agba yen egba medakpana mi toke abale ke ko jigbori na mi apawona komo jan egba to mi chimagbawe nde kavaro keke echi ikeja chova ikple eunchi uhe yunchi modam uhe ina mi chimagbawe mi Tony magbawe mi akrom mi akro chofia basarega o mi de kukura mata mi chukemi yo nyasala mi agere egba pe wona me don kujiba na wona je komaleka mi kana mi for motivational message segment or inspirational segment magba akpo nyaka mi akọ akro mi adokio alo nyaka mi akọ tu mi adokio la egba pe nke kame ke ne mi zorengo mi vado na te pare ke mi kona nya jojo to tu yo ke chacha le mi ape ntuome ke mi gagana rebeta nto mamle o mele gana kata na kami nya jojo chu beta do koma hafa mi one ta alekai mi egbeto gome jeme nya don kujibe atema dang miape ajerurame le +2332426707773 atema dang miape ajerurame miakpom le Vemba TVG le Facebook ha tameme kata le Facebook miakpom ndi ami miata wenye be nya anglo nane I share link alo thread aba amona. So if you're watching us on Facebook, you like, you comment, you share the thread, and that's how we do it for today. So let's proceed to our inspirational segment, and let's look at what's our inspirational message for today. Mia azorango akbo nkanye nyamyako tumiaro kialo nkenye nyamyako akbo mialo kiole egbepe nkekame. Da motivational message here. If you are searching for that one person who will change your life, take a look into the mirror. If you are looking for that one person who will change your life, take a look into the mirror. And that's how we begin our day. We kickstart our day with the motivation. If you are searching for that one person who will change your life, take a look into the mirror. Ne ame yika tro agbe. Ame kenye ameke awa tro agbe. Anangu na nyo na meto perengto ameka tutu na yirengo ameka tutu na nyem tepo la jimde ke ina ba pohunhwema. Ameke na pohunhwema. Enya meke tutu atakperengo. Dapo ya ke me miele fia ameke tutu atama tuo de ngo meka tutu na yingo ameka na like ameka na nyem tepo la ameka na nyeke shinoto ekonono metata no hunweme shigera amino grombo markema we na mo fufunya temto makaka ma plan mo na mo wa mare malo mo fufunya malo mo dai malo mo stroy malo mo baranto mo na mamele na mi amele na mi avo mingrona be yota chimi abe amama amnomishito wene otajimi abe kolia wene otajimi abe hiato wene akemi chimi varo poi kenya tengwa wachachani to mi ha gbon chimako ajimi aje tronye to wo ke patrode nka omnele cho ntoro kyo mpe ame patrode azonika enya zone azomnele patrode afode de kawe nento ne de to maklo suba mu na nyunai ame pona la ho ema ye nya me kata peremu ta ne naneli nawo we kaba punto ya tan oba amen to yeno blekwe ba bleko wonto ton ye atan awe na dokyo mejujo mokpokpo dadara gbetoji beto ko damiafu bijo mokpokpo dadare amoyo ke mi fa lolo to gbedodo na mo amoyo ko le vo de pleto moji enyon to mi ajagbagba adafo ika he pepena vena mi yo mia aire nka nye na jojo ke bane mia pe avaloji le mia pe ntuame ex mia yi hoide mia po hoide ra mia pon kawele mia kamle ntomafia. Ex-Maslog CEO Sedinam Tameklo arrested in U.S. Ex-Maslog CEO Sedinam Tameklo arrested in the U.S. That's a big story. Miontomiavi Sedinam Tameklo Kenya Domaga ne Maslog only le U.S. So that's the first story there. Referee Lai speaks out. That's also there. Then minority demands dismissal of NACA boss. Ajajamafia. Minority MPP to Kenya South Akwa Amanologo. Jiru Domakaka Bona Mfiaro do wo pro de nyapa sukom no didara dongbe alave eno kole dom afi mo bana de kenye nson do pa bana ke konya hemi milecho keke bla ragbe vaseregba inchi fanya wenye yo oba woŋlɔ gbalẽ be no tsɔ kɔ ne suku nufiala aɖewo nɔ kɔ fia le míaƒe senior high school so ke gbalẽ ɖe mɔ be no fiam tso gbɔdɔdɔ manusẽ ŋuti le dzedzem afia ye tae wobe ne aƒe me ɖo dɔmegã yi ke kpɔna gbalẽ ŋɔŋlɔ yiwo ke nye nusrɔ̃ɖoɖo gbalẽwo ƒe nyagblɔmɔ le amagama ne aƒe me. Classroom blocks commissioned in Akachi North, MP commissioned classroom blocks in Akachi North. Ta nɔtsukɔtɔe kple Blaise Kodzo Katamani ƒe nɔnɔxɔmafia ma dzedzema miaƒe TV dzi ale wotu sukuxɔ ɖo le Akachi North ne yi lia mia ato ŋu ɖo. Fuel for thought: should you stockpile fuel? Baka Vomao, Oliver Baka Vomao de nano gblɔ etsɔ yi ke va yi le eƒe Twitter account dzi gbɔgblɔm be ne yeyi petrodzeƒe ko yetso gavi ko wokɔ mi gbogbo na ko eƒe tank yɔ ɖi edzɔ dzi na ale gbegbe ta ye ɖokui biam be ɖe adze amia gbogboa ada ɖe galɔn me adze da ɖe jerrycan me ada ɖi hã le abe ɖoma ya siagbona dzi ya alo leke ŋu gbona nɔ gane dzi va trɔ ye gbe ɖeka ŋkivitɔ va ta nya amewo be atsaƒo nya amewo Baka le serious amewo tsɔ mi ɖe asi amua ŋuti Baka hã Baka Vomao ƒe ŋkɔ ɖiɖim ta nakpɔ howiɖe ko akpɔ be nyadzɔdzɔ ko tsɔ etso miaƒe ŋutɔ me ne metso miaƒe ŋutɔ me hã eke mia amewo ke tso miaƒe ŋutɔ me ale be wo teƒe wɔm le ganɔ kpasiakpa yo ke ne mi zɔ ɖe ŋgɔa miakpɔ influencer Echo Blacks disturbing assault video sparks outrage. Influencer Echo Blacks disturbing assault video sparks outrage. Echo Black ƒe nɔnɔmetata dzedzem le afia hã le howiday.com ke video aɖe ke tsa le yaʋɔlɔ dzi ni tsɔ kaka va ɖo tsɔ yi ke Echo Black yi ke nye ŋkuʋuʋui nyadzɔdzɔ kaka la yawo ke nɔna míaƒe fonu gbadza yawo dzi wo dometɔ ɖeka enɔ tukara wɔm aleke gbogbo kple nyɔhiãvi ale be video ma kaka ɖe yaʋɔlɔ katã dzi egbe nye fi agbe ta miawo entertainment mia akpo entertainment story ɖeka va ɖo ta Echo Black ya ke nye modzakaɖela nye fefewɔla le yaʋɔlɔ totiwo dzi tɔtɔtɔtɔ TikTok hã ƒe nɔnɔmetata dzedzem Echo Black kple nyɔhiãvi wo dzre wɔm ekɔ dam le o nuka wɔm le alo edze ŋutɔtɔ nyɔm le o fofo nyɔm le gale be yewoakɔ ble mi o aka Echo Black ƒe nɔnɔmetata dzedzem be nu yi ke Echo Black wɔ ta li vava hiãvi va gbɔ woakpɔ hiãvia be via le gbegbe nu ma edzedzem le entertainment line dzi le howiday.com ke Ebonoa granted bail ya dzedzem afia Ebonoa granted bail Ebonoa nye ɖekadze modzakaɖela aɖe yi ke le eƒe yi ke va yi ma mise ŋkɔ wo be mawu dɔ ye be ne wo aɖaka ne kpa aɖakaʋu elabe tsi gã aɖe gbɔna dzadza ge le ƒe dzi mamlɛa me ƒe ŋkeke blaeve-vɔ-etɔ̃ yi ke mi dzona Christmas le dzi ta Christmas day enye ŋkeke aɖe yi ke etsi gã aɖe dzadza ge ko ye ŋutɔ dada va ƒom be kpɔ Ebonoa fefe ko wɔm le gake kpovitɔ metsɔe ke woli kaba ŋutɔ ale be kɔsiɖa avea katã va ya menɔ bɔbɔe no enɔ kpovitɔ ƒe asi me elabe yewo kplɔe ɖe ʋɔnua wobe no gbogbo kɔe ɖe kpovitɔwo gbɔ ale be wòanɔ woƒe asi me ne wodzi susumedɔlélawo ƒe dɔkitawo ne woatsa susu me akpɔ be ele ŋuta alo yewo mo ƒuƒlu ta woge ɖe me ʋu fi woɖo nye be wobe no kɔ asige akpa alo ƒe ɖeka yi ke nye gaƒoƒo 1 billion wokɔ de megbe nɛ ale be ame wɔme eve nava de asi agbalẽ te ame ɖeka nanye yevudɔwɔla ke ame ɖeka anyigba nanɔ si aƒe nanɔ dzi so that's what we have over there. Ekonoa is in trouble. Ekonoa is in trouble. So the Delta Circuit Court has granted bail, that's a caption we are seeing there, to Evans Eshan, popularly known as Ebonoa, a bail of 100,000 with 2 sureties, one to be justified. fia be ame eve yiwo ke megbe de ge na ɖeka na anyigba nanɔ si question nanɔ si yi ke be ne wo ɖe asi ebonoa wo do go ya mo dome yewo va si megavɔ ŋuva mɔ o la me ma ɖe teƒe. So those are the things trending on our show this morning. Mia Zorango. Okay, Mia Yida constituency, Mia Bonkajin constituency. So classroom blocks commission in Akache North is there. Fuel for thought should you stock up. Upon an Jojonge, if you were Wokra, a Womolio, Lumo Womo Chomo, Pleto, Evo Ami Fashi Didi, or you were Nami Fashi Didima, a wo who join a Didi. Girl, like a job, who join a Didi, or like a job, Ami Fashi now, the Dimafi, who job, Bonwa. Nagano ale kole ta dokushi epukula ro o jagba be yo awo aza susu ala adamu akọ beat jiru ala be yo de egara miji ta nyi wona nye be na ba ko bo fumele ebuaro pakora me ebuaro pakora moto ebuaro kra o la fun ara ko bo ogun e bana ba mo le flime onye nwi ka mo ko jiru afeta tem de to emi fuma mi fa shiga di mi ga nyaba mi fa shiga yi kede to enye ba trop le diesel le toma kana la de nke miawo bakavoma wo gombe de yo jamia ko jirarwa nyata fa mi fa aleka mi fa shidi rianta amo mi o jam la boso soma plus boko isewe aga gbona jige mmaro hia Binyama Mujoge Nafugani. Your Tanko computer credibility questioned amid MPP criticism. Tanko computers credibility questioned amid MPP criticism. Ta mini kwa mafuma chole miafo wana ikeva ya koko anumule miafo wana do kodare agbana jigbo blombe communications member in MPP, Amos Wilson, Glombe computer tank quick Glombe MPP for Bagbanja Goma, like 2007, le Adenia in Ania make for no to Coplong, me Alabochian and Adu Danko Kuford. Nanado Danko Kufado, he coachia computer tank Glombe, now MPP Bagbama Sedekbero. Ta do watcha alan cash alo alan chemanteng hafi ta emaha enye naneke nchi amon fumle ndia ta le miapa nyama jojo wona ike yaji ikemina ba ndi wona le bo imba tv ya Amos Wilson won Amos Wilson bo ba tanko computer ya tonto to ma maro kware ko nyeke na fuma mi ale torenchi wala ba yen to pra anya kurenchi ye va doare ibe nya dokita lo nya gba pipi nya la gaka okro olenchi lo la gba e mo de suku gbagba re ko ta odo me supwa yo kwere yo ke le ya va e oji fun ji suku yo kwere ko de bo suku ma magbede gbala re ke me le shi la America do komo ta okro olenchi maganye dokita lo bubu mai kenya gba pipi nya la o ta nya ya enye eji Moswisi notero chovu kaka be nkankanka computer tanko mamro wa ko mira shefa nyang china nya blona ko na demmen ke mi ni hakwa mafia Rafael wala si dogbe kenya reporter be assembly member Rafael wala si dogbe ha pum alaba ero nyayo ke Moswisi forete show MPP Bagbanchi. Nanado Dankwa Kufuado MPP Agbala. Ne Alan Cash do MPP D. MPP Anyowa. NDC's policy dobe backs Danko computers claims. Wala si dobe Kenya Klofotopo assemblyman or like a Gani Nyanya Delane NDC to le Miako Chichena Mechanto ya Mayapon Chobo Blombe. Nyaka computer Tanko Blombe MPP Bagbam. Nanado Dankwa Kufuado kwa duko wakblo ye na MPP Agbama le tepe PPP ela be nana vaho parti yako doko kuvu asanga toe yabo plankeo wò dɔ kpli hã me gbagba ɖeke o. Ta party ma gbagba gake do gbe ɖa be Mawu ne wɔe ɖi. Ono te ŋu elabe le multi-party democratic system yi ke míaƒe constitution kɔ de tome alo míaƒe ƒotase gã yi ke míakplɔm yi ke wowɔ le 1992 gbɔgblɔm be dunyaheha vovovowo nenɔ anyi ale be wolé ŋku ɖe wo nɔnɔewo ƒe nuwɔnawo ŋu ale be ame aɖeke ƒe mazɔ agbo fli me o alo dziɖuɖu aɖeke mava ɖo ŋugbegble yi ke ame aɖeke mate ŋu akpɔtu mi alo akpɔ ŋusẽ aƒo ŋu alo aɖɔ ɖaŋu na o. Ta anye ne yebe awɔ politics alo yebe ahe dunya kple nya ya gblɔ be vivi na ya be NPP ƒe nyawo yi nenema gake ya gblɔ nu be Mawu ne wɔe no ɖe nɔri akɔe zago yina eƒe dzi mi ame mi le ƒe ŋkeke mamlɛtɔ ale be wotia woƒe aflaga tsɔ la ɖo nyame ɖɔʋu aɖe kple su be ɔta kplɔ yewo magblɔ be partia ne kaka yewo madzi vɔ na o yewo ne do gbe ɖa be eme ne nyo nɔ gake ame atɔ̃ ma katã yewo ke kplɔm le fia be ne wotsɔ ne wonye aflaga tsɔla wo ɖeke mekpa tse na yewo eme kake le avu dzi o Bawumia le avu dzi o Bernard Champɔn le avu dzi o Kennedy Adjepɔn le avu dzi o Edutsomi le avu dzi o Mekake le avu dzi o Kwabena Adjepɔn le avu dzi o Edze Adjepɔn le avu dzi o amewo katã wo ɖeke menye ame aɖe yi ke atsi atsitre ɖe yewo ƒe ame yiwo ke gbɔna aflaga tsɔ ge na yewo. Ta enya le mamlɛbɔatɔwoe nye Dumelo rolls out free bus service. Maxlẽ ako maxɔ dɔn tsutsui pia me trɔ va míayi nukawoe nye enya ke míaƒe Ghana dukɔ. Ava leke mena mienya na Eʋenyigba TV le Facebook. Ta míakpɔ le Facebook míata ade míava dzrɔ me míaƒe susu yiwo ke le tame na mi mikpɔnɔ ɖa. Ame akpa gãtɔ dona dzogbewo ɖe mi mɔ mehiã fifia mi le mo kɔkɔe ŋkeke aɖewo me ta mi ke ne kpɔ kɔ le kpi ɖe na wo kpokpli ɖe kɔ ma exlẽ yo John Dumelo ƒe nya ma ko gblɔm la le minute aka megbe kɔ yaxɔ dɔn tsutsui Dumelo yi ke nye Ayawaso West Wagon tɔwo ƒe member of parliament de wɔna de to me gbɔgblɔm be nyadzɔdzɔ ɖo kpedzi be etso bus alo ʋu kɔ da ɖi be wònɔ sukuviwo kple amewo tsɔm tso Okponglo kɔ yi ɖe La Paz. Ta eʋu li fi ma xe amewo ɖoɖom tso Okponglo kɔ yi ɖe La Paz ke woku nya me kpli tsɔ. John Dumelo míanye míaƒe ŋutɔmevi ɖeka gbɔgblɔm be egaɖo le esi awoe me ale yi ke sukuviwo le fli me amewo le fli me woya ɖum le ƒe ŋutɔ me traffic sugbɔ ɖe ŋutɔ la va West Wagon nye fia ɖe ke amewo sugbɔ ɖo awu le Greater Accra amewo sugbɔ ɖe afi ma sukuviwo ƒe ŋutɔ me sukuvi ɖeka le gɔnɔ wu 21,000 ta eko ʋu da ɖi be sukuviwo yiwo ke si gbalẽ le ke ɖo kpedzi be wonye sukuviwo kɔ nɔ gege ɖe me ale be wonɔ yi ne La Paz free. John Dumelo ƒe dɔ yawo de tome le eƒe ŋutɔ me le gɔn ŋutɔ ma ye nye ma nukpɔlawo ma xɔ dɔme tsutsui pia ɖe me trɔ va míazɔ ɖe ŋgɔ.
Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only the sky can a woman with a torn slipper, not by another. We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears are river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain.
Yo, nyasalau belum pola mendapat namanya balik ke Porto Gali Paplin, mi le paling bati biji India. Tony Magbonya nyaklong dong juga paling bati le fuga hostel le ho Portoi na wa ho Technical University alo finto ke mi na chanta chankomba poli me pona ya gym fuga hostel fuga no tamano alo na va fuga hostel ko mi awenye dopo banto ke le hostel kon kuma ya donc kujiba nyata takpare ngole o si chanya o nya takpare ngole ajo dunya o mani jibe nya chaka pa play albe ya a jam adububu kuela joregio wana toke ya dele strong de strong ne be ado jibe akpo dua be azare be adumo duzayo de kongo zayo chochie be awo dumo be ado alo amachi wala ina nyo de dag bala mo batala ina nyo mushami kana be awo ike onya badua nanya mi ke oje ne be awo ike tuanase kwa ajaba na agare mi ajele ba imbati bi nyamya kbremo ba fara do hanli mi wana tanji mi ada ba fara na e fana na bu usafio amare ba chona no longlomo amare ba o la fi na pomo Ushangwe ka kami ka jwa mare na ase afore ne be ado agere mi ajele akweng batibi le poli jim fuga hostel alo ho Technical University ne nya gare skwama duto skwama to mo gwe na mushame kene bia be kona jim fuga hostel ko o pro la vinami alo be nya kwere ngole a jodo duma da donc jimo nyanko semle e do ko kata ma in West Africa amomia contre le Central Africa, East Africa, Europe do comme amomia mon le beta yo vutu ko katama ala ba mi la ben bati le Facebook ta tan ile ben bati le Facebook ala ba na de wo susu aglocho nya ko naji atam a check aklim le 0242670773G ata check aklim le 0242670773G manyeyoge fia macho ala be enye monpon gaka atem anglo ususuaro dan ko ma o katahlage nyam o katag badonam le Facebook mo kwa mele je shu ho men katam ya kon koyoge afi wona naun. All right, me GBC Ghana Online, Minority in Parliament criticizes LGBTQ plus content in 2025 teachers manual. And they didn't only do that, they called for the resignation of the NACA boss. The American MPP to parliament will phone call to Bododo Manusam, Aro Bododo, ma Jagaji for Nufafia, Dodo Yiko work the Banaremeko, Manasuku, Tatoro, Nyaya, Nyananik, Ga, Kaka, Ezu, Aha, Chashisham, Joy, Kavaima, Da, Ajam, the Jewish Ganona, leak story of Mao. Vice President meets Japanese Foreign Minister to deepen economic and diplomatic ties. Vice President meets Japanese Foreign Minister to deepen economic and diplomatic ties. The Vice President, Professor Nana Jane Opokwajima, Honorable Tata Chijima Fiagbakule, Foreign Minister in Japan to alo Minister yike cho Japan to come ke pona Japan to ko kule pe kachacha kule beta to ko kata penya oji o dogo alwenka glomole leke nya chashi adojo akpremia no alwe to ko kwa kule na povide lo fe ajodo nyaum ajejema fuma. My head was gone as Samajan opens up on 2010 World Cup penalty nightmare. My head was gone as Samajan opens up on 2010 World Cup penalty nightmare. Ta ungoncho as Samajan chi memoke long sports na me GBC Ghana online ko. Me nyongo cho as Samajan chi poge. Alebe mi atem a khalnawo. All right, Mia Zorongo ICT. City Newsroom. City Newsroom. City Newsroom. Former Maslock CEO Sedina Tameklo Ationu arrested in US. Former Maslock CEO Sedina Tameklo Ationu arrested in US. So the former Chief Executive Officer of the Microfinance and Small Loan Center, Maslock Sedina Tameklo Ationu, has reportedly been detained at the Nevada Southern Detention Center in the United States. So that's the first big story we are seeing there on City Newsroom, in City Newsroom. Then we the City Newsroom, and City FM Channel 1 TV for Nyajojo Bano ma ni kwamina fama konkonye Sedina Tameklo Fenya. So I think that's a big story. We're going to be reading that. Former Chief Executive, the development was contained in a statement signed by Ghana's ambassador to the United States, Emmanuel Victor Smith, dated Thursday, January 15, 2026. And I'm quoting our ambassador. My information is that she was detained by U.S. Marshals on January 6th and has since been kept at the detention center. I'm reliably informed that, acting on an extradition request sent to the U.S. authorities sometime in July 2024, U.S. Marshals arrested Mrs. Tameklo Ationu and placed her in detention to await her day in court. Sedina Tameklo Ationu was in April 2024 sentenced to 10 years imprisonment with hard labor after being found guilty on 78 counts, including causing financial loss to the state, stealing, conspiracy to steal, money laundering, and breaches of the Public Procurement Act. Her co-accused, former Maslock Chief Operating Officer Daniel Exim, was also sentenced to 5 years imprisonment with hard labor. The two were prosecuted for the offenses committed between 2013 and 2016 involving the misappropriation of funds meant for Maslock activities. The trial, which began in 2019, saw the state call 6 witnesses. Sedina Tameklo Ationu was tried in absentia after she absconded while on permission from the court to seek medical treatment abroad. Daniel Exim, however, testified in person but did not call any witnesses. So, kira ko sedna tan ko fa nyanya, to maga kano Maslock, jiru do pe ke kona gadudu na amu kenye agbavito shi chala oji o choga bono ko do na agbavito shi chala ke mia no sedina tameklo ationu bele yen toyo domaga ke kpona do pa pe yi kple gbogbo oji o figalo blo shire kama o kple mu yo ko Moses senyu to o chogaro do rawon to pe novio kple to holo pa account o me o mu majegaje vovovo ashibulu re kama en fiti kle zanu ko ko o eta o le sedina tamalo ko demo opo ayo no nya droma bia mo be America to come harbe ya vai a ikonji ta womunya bon de mo ne be ne koji fa ako ya agba magbo oye oji owo nsham pete bana ba ogbe ta na do dan kwa pa jiru popo mamleto mo le journal ko jimu adame le mamleto ike na do dan kwa ku fa do no jijia yeme udogban le de beta do comme povito yo kala America be no ja gba o re ka pa play yo la Ghana ono diam sedina tamoclationu na yoli o la geology bu fo jimu ya me le panke ka gba ashi ukba mane sedina tamoclotale povito wa chimele Nevada la America do comme o ploga i bon America do on re do seklo room prokare bon akuma aro pejibe nya tepe oje boro pejibe nya tepe ono jim ono yom oro banaji peto enya le Ghana ha be nya kulenchele bon afi oble bon dollar heshi sedina tamokro kapayo yo Vice President Opoku Agyeman to meet Transport Ministry over Accra bus shortages. All right, me Professor Nana Jane Opoku Agyeman for nya kpoma fi ha o gbana boglomba Nana Jane Opoku Agyeman egodogo kple jiru domaga ke kpona miaƒe yi kple gbogbo le mɔwo dzi alebe o se ŋutatutu na ʋumeka tɔtɔm ɖe egion ne rush hour abo ƒo be gatɔ yina gane mɔʋu gatɔ na ƒoko ʋu meva nɔna nyɔmo na no fli me le afi sia afi nuka ya wɔ nye ŋutatutu dzɔdzɔm ta VIP Vice President Nana Jane Opoku Agyeman egodoge kple dɔmɔga ke kpɔna ʋunyawo dzi le gentɔme le Ghana kata glogodo mi o nya mia se gɔme mi na ke mia nya. Any candidate other than Bawumia is a lottery ata Achia. Any candidate other than Bawumia is a lottery ata Achia pom lawyer gan senyala gan lawyer gan yi ke wo do kple dziɖuɖu xoxoa Nana do dan kɔƒe dziɖuɖu xoxoa yi ke wɔna be ekpo National Identification Authority ƒe dɔwɔnawo dzi Ghana card wɔ dzi kple tɔmɔ eƒom be gbagba yi dze me le be dzi aflaga tsɔla ne NPP dunya hehea enye nane ke be via le gbogbo be ne yewo mo nya yewo ne mɔkpɔkpɔ ame bubu aɖe yi ke menye Bawumia o be ne tsɔ flaga ne yewo ƒe partia kɔ ke fia be yewo tu wɔ eya lɔ yewo da loto alabadia BTO. Kumasi landfill to be full in 16 months with 6 million euro funding with euro funding. Kumasi landfill to be full in 16 months with 6 million euro funding. NLC halts plan gutsy strike over legal breaches. Your National Labour Commission got here. I will go into that later. Amo gbogbo strike bobo ke uroshi de kaji mima kuge later. Ghana Health Service condemns assault on Akoti Health Center, calls for immediate police action. Jiru do kwe ke kwana mia po la mase oji konjo la mase nya oji le Ghana. Boglombe konjare ke la Akoti Health Center kple hunyahunya ɖe ke dzi afi ma ehia be kpovitɔ na ge ɖe afi ma tsa ale be wòɖe avɔ. All right, video. Commuters falls into cargo trucks as Accra transport crisis worsens. Ta video tsatsa le yava le dze yi koe meli na mi alo documentaire tɔ si trɔtrɔ kaba. Video tsatsa le yava le kata dzi nyi gblɔm mi le fia kpi ɖe ƒe be gi fia ne nya kpɔ be ga be yina ga tɔ mɔ kɔ. Eʋu me ga nɔ nyi o. Wonɔ na fli me le fi sia fi na yi Temasese efli li. Zongo Junction efli li. Ne yi Kaneshi efli li. Ne yi La Paz efli yi kata tema fi sia fi mɔlu ŋkume Junction fifia ke ʋu va nye ʋudzeƒe ke ʋuwo va park na kɔ ame na do wɔ na ge ɖe me hafi ma hã fli va li ŋkee. Ta eva na be amewo gegem ɖe agbakɔʋuwo me ege ŋutɔ me ege nya ma. Yo, Ofrekrom MP Naka DG must face probe over LGBTQ content. Fuel prices set for second straight drop in January. Ta eka jejem gbalẽ mo be mi mo kpɔm be afi be dzimu ke me mi le na wu ma. Edze be ami va shi na didi. Yo, yeah, this My Joy Online. My Joy Online. Sedina Tamaklo Ationo nabbed in US as extradition process begins. Ta akbowe bano kata kwa mile bako Sedina Tamaklo kong ye nya ame ngong fomle ala kebwe. Sedina Tamaklo Ationo nabbed in US as extradition process begins. Ta extradition ye gbagba ke dukɔwo dzena be yewo ƒe kpovitɔ na ada bɔbɔ ne wo nɔnɔewo ale be na ame aɖe nye gbegblẽ la tse le eƒe dukɔ me fi va le dukɔ bubu me alo na ame aɖe le dukɔ bubu me le mɔ madzegadzi me alo yi ke dze se le wode dukɔ me gbeta dukɔ me kpovitɔwo li wonɔ kame kple du yi me wotso ale be wokplɔe ɖɔɖɔɖɔ akplɔ va wode dua me ale be nyi esea be nɔ wɔwɔe. So Ghana's IMF program remains solid and on track, IMF resident rep. Ghana's IMF program remains solid and on track. IMF resident rep. Da jidudu wo gadzraɖoƒe gã. Jidudu wo gadzraɖoƒe gã. Va lɔ dze ke kpɔna gadodo ne dukɔ gblẽwo alo dukɔ ke hiã ne ga. Le hia tame godogo woƒe nya gblɔm mi le woƒe amedɔdɔ yi ke woɖo ɖe Ghana ke wonɔ tata dzedzem le My Joy Online gbɔgblɔm be gadodo kple gaŋtsiwo alo gasasa wɔna yiwo ke wode tome ne dziɖuɖuwo le Ghana kple sugbe dukɔme na mianɔ miakpɔ gbɔdzɔe ganyawo naka ɖe me na mia dɔ wɔm ale gbegbe ta yewoƒe afɔ yiwo ɖem mi wole yi ke eɖoe nye amemaxɔmaxɔ ɖe dziɖuɖu dɔwɔƒewo, eɖoe nye dziɖuɖu ƒe ega ƒe ɖiɖi, eɖoe nye asimatsamatsa le tɔ la me le Ghana dukɔ ya me kple tɔkpletɔ yiwo ke nya aɖaŋu yiwo do ne dziɖuɖuwo dzi zɔm tso dziɖuɖu xoxo yi ke va yi kple yi va me fia evi ɖe dem vɛ na mi ale gbegbe. Fiscal discipline, cedi stability make 2025 a very good year, IMF. Ta ame leke me dze gbɔgblɔ alo metɔ atsie ne do ŋgɔ sekple ɖoɖo yiwo de tome ne be dukɔ na zɔ ɖe dzi, dukɔ ƒe gadzraɖo gã ƒe agbɔnuga kple dukɔ ƒe gadzikpɔla gã wo katã wo zɔ ɖe dzi nye be egamaɖemaɖe alo gamazãmazã yakatsɔe enye fiscal discipline hafi naɖe ga naku ŋuti nalé ŋku ɖe ŋuti naku me hafi malé ŋku ɖe ŋuti ʋuʋu nadze agbagba sia agbagba yi ke nate ŋu adze kple sube magaze ga gbogbo kpa gamaɖemaɖe gadzeta gadada vivivo yi ke dziɖuɖuwo wɔna tsã yewo dze agbagba sia agbagba be yewoade ŋku dziɖuɖua ƒe dɔwɔna me alabe nu sia nu wɔm wole woto yewo dzi yewoakpɔe elabe yewo nye gadolawo yewo do ga eye womede ŋku gasasa me ye ga yi ŋugbe metete gbɔ kɔ ke yewo hã gba ɖum yewo le eme ta yewo ta gblɔ be yewo ƒo ƒɔta ne Ghana dukɔ elabe yeƒe gazaɖoɖowo kple Ghana cedi ƒe ŋusẽkpɔkpɔ ɖe gbeta dukɔwo metɔwo ƒe gawo ŋuti katã fia be eƒe yi ke va yia enye ƒe nyui aɖe year was a very good year, IMF. Order from above, Trotro operators reply as commuters fume over fare hikes amid gridlock. Order from above, Trotro operators reply commuters as commuters fume over fare hikes amid gridlock. And Ghana's economy defied odds, IMF President Rep reveals. That more le my joint online. Yeah, my le my joint online. Fuel issue, fuel issue. My jiba ma akhle mi katutu jim le my joint online. I mean India. Order from above. I'm interested in that story. Yeah, so I go to that. Order from above. Trotro operators reply as commuters fume over fare hikes amid gridlock. All right. So passengers in Accra and other parts of the Greater Accra region are facing a new financial burden as commercial drivers and their conductors, locally known as mates, have begun implementing arbitrary and exorbitant fare increases. The hikes, which have not been officially sanctioned by the Ministry of Transport nor the Ghana Private Road Transport Union, are being justified by operators as a desperate response to the worsening traffic congestion in the capital. Despite a significant drop in fuel prices and strengthening of the city, commuters seem not to benefit from the gains. The order from above. On the ground at the Kwame Nkrumah interchange, the atmosphere is one of frustration and resignation. One mate on the Domi-bound route explained on Thursday, January 15, that the decision to hike prices was passed down directly from vehicle owners and station masters. It's an order from above, yeah. So whatever the master will say is what we will abide by, the conductor told reporters. Okay, so abupo mabopo nyakala gia mi ka tutu nya mi ma drum mi ma kum kaju ka jura konaro mi nya kwasha pakpoge amomu hukponge kayo nya mokuma me tira kare ka kuna saka yira domi alo wona docho saka yira domi le totron wo romba yo fama kan de do ashina station master no ko pona park oji alo station oji da gobo biale na yi na kple yaro wo we de gbanayo amomoka fugalo shi onye futo ha wo ke ganye futo ta wo we de gobo yo ne dare fujoji ta fushavua ka je nwa eko homole fiale vudolo shime nkenya nwa ha obo traffic le to makpa vusu bokanta tata vole frime yo mango mo yo no te fraka ka ta wo na bai de yo ta yo ta dan gauji ta mi yo kata nya mo je bo nya oli kwa mo pronto pa na ko ganya nya mo jolo ko ren chena be nya do cho nya de ata mo blombe na fito fina gbaba du koplo ko ren to professor Nana Jeno ko kwanjima godo ke transport minister le yonchi dolo kwa lojio kata kala to ko mate alo ni ga tutu jojo ngi afio bo fumelio nyanya mamletonye 17-member presidential advisory group on the economy echo ekeba ya onamiya ba odo amakpeliom wi evado alo chian bo onya dandolo ne ji dudua le eganyom ke ama wenye His Excellency Professor Jane Nana Obokwaji mainye Vice President aja jamio TV yaoji amayawe o for ofuwa onya dandola na jidudua le ganyome. Mr. Kwame Mpienim Ikenye, economist and private sector leader. Mr. Kwame Mpienim anya dandolo amayo miako ganyo tuko ganyo mio ponkoyoge amayo ponkoyoge miala. Miss Nana Oye Mensa Yeboah eha jeje mafia o po no matata jeje TV yaji yakpo ke amamlawe nye Dr. Kwabena Dufour ke nye former governor the Bank of Ghana ganye economist Ochin Samuel Essen Jonah a private sector leader and industrialist Sam Jonah low dumonya dandolo na jirudwa Mr. Toe Brown former World Bank boss odumatoreka Dr. Henry Kofi Wampa Alodome ke nyɔnua ɖewoe nye tɔgbi aƒede hã le afi ya wɔwo tsia tɔgbi aƒede le kotu me nyakpɔ ŋutɔ tɔgbi aƒede hã le me tɔgbi aƒede nye economist hã nye gaŋtsi nyala gã ɖeka ganye private sector leader dokushi tsitsala gã tɔgbi aƒede nyɔntɔ miaƒe agbobume fia mienelia hã wotsia tso bo nya dan dola na dziɖuɖua ne va ɖo miaƒe ganyawo me when the fundamentals are weak. These people, Ameo Vadamuna, Nyawe Fundamental Mano Rico, Mrs. Abena Amwa, Chief Executive Officer, Ghana Stock Exchange. Here, Ajajamafia, Miss Abena Amwa, Chief Executive Officer, Ghana Stock Exchange. Hello, Dume. Wo Vadam, Jizom Jibuale, and Ganyama, come for Ganyona, Nagidi, if you ever want to conclude mille, Yapa Sidia, or Sapapo, the Batado Coma. Nyao if you have un popolo botado come e un chocho Ghana ko botado come pre un chocho botado pano bavam akpama any economy do nyao do we employment leko ga donabo ka 24 economy alorem akpama ha ple mamlanye interest rate Ghana bore to come over asichalo na boka hatu gado donano to come nya takpo miako o me ko kishi gado lo hona kpo gado akpama to ya kum ye o nyo fodo ke Miss Abnam Amwa happen tata jema fiata amawie voyao wo nye 12 member presidential advisory group on the economy and wo we regiran be oda do shinu bapi akwena 24 economy America doreka amatona we jieton donc kere kame wo na navamo yo kama subu mi ajo nyama nyama kpopola boy mi kere ngo ajo nyama tama khodo mo chuchu kare ma trova nia agara nyama toni magbonya mi aplong ya pada mo mi apo message so nova mai mava biga kashi tv amo
Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only the sky can says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. phone, not seek a new one. With a woman with a torn slipper, not by another. We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. Yeah. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears are river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. Yeah. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain?
Is it okay? Yo, nukpola me da kona mi abale ke mi hoji nang boko me vai hodo mo chuchu pima trova abale ke mi nyai na po ganya mi gana mi apa nya jojo yo ke nya chuchu tuchu yo ke zu nya he le ya balo kataji da mi gomo jegale ke mi akpo nya kawe mi be mi ada ro tanya alo chuchu ro nya takaka kaw mi akode to me gba afi anamio ha mia gereme mia pe message so yo kan lo mi le rami mi o kata ho maji yo mawo khlage na gbanto e ke zo bibli alo i ke nye i ke do vi chinami i ke ahiane makoko gbanye US visa suspension US visa suspension. Abu Jinapor warns of diplomatic drift as Ghana US relations face strain. US visa suspension. Abu Jinapor warns of diplomatic drift as Ghana US relations face strain. Tanya ya alonya takaka ya boblon pira ko America to call do shi morede na duko aro bawo da wazo ma ba America du koma ka suswaro ta ke duko yo Ghana hala du komo ma ba America maka more gana mi aba opo du komo afina zo mai mo du kore ma ajaba mozo gbara na no show ike nya passport yo mi leba mozo gbara afi visa ike nya mozo zon pe modede ta agbala show no ke nya mozo gbara bo aje modede na no show oga kutu agbala mamano aroga ha kanya gbara bi okola agbala mamano afina zozo ka America du koma na zon yi ke Abuja na po dem nya ya macho nya yo blokira ele report yamen. The Member of Parliament for Damango and ranking member on Parliament's Foreign Affairs Committee, Samuel Abu-Jinapor, has described Ghana's inclusion in the United States suspension of immigrant visa processing for 75 countries as deeply troubling, warning that it signals a worrying decline in Ghana-UN relations. He was speaking yesterday and Thursday, 15th of January. And the former Lands and Natural Resources Minister said the development should concern all Ghanaians, given the long-standing and mutually beneficial diplomatic ties between Accra and Washington. According to Mr. Abu Jinapor, Ghana and the United States have historically enjoyed strong bilateral relations that translate into tangible economic and development gains. He recalled that under the presidency of Jerry John Rawlings, Ghana benefited from the Africa Growth and Opportunity Act (AGWA), which significantly boosted the country's textile industry. He also cited former President J.A. Kufuor's tenure, during which the then U.S. President George W. Bush paid a historic visit to Ghana, culminating in the Millennium Challenge Compact and major infrastructure projects, including the completion of the N1 highway. However, the Damago MP expressed concern that the relationship has deteriorated in recent years, pointing to the absence of a substantive U.S. ambassador to Ghana as a worrying indicator. And he said the relationship has diminished and it is not the best, explaining that what is happening is now should worry everyone. Tak pira kwa enya ya nya de ke je mia lan kudanci mi je mia dan kunya ma mi Ghana ele du ko me bla andre woton ro do me yo ke fa du ko vi ma tan ho mo zo bana ko aba be America du ko ke damango to pe so takpe pe me ila Samuel Abu Jinapor e ke ganye jiru ko to ma ka ke pona anyigba to gbo ko de technology le Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo mo libe adonku na jinami e ke jeje Rawlings nye to kopro la faruko va ya kachacha ke no jeje kula America do na be AGOA, the Kenya Africa Growth and Opportunity Act, where said that the talk here, the Kenya ekatsatsaƒe se yi ke le Amerika kple Afrika dukɔwo katã dome edze te. Ɖe ma ta avɔ yiwo ke míewɔna le Ghana fia, míawo ŋutɔ míaƒe avɔdodo abe dzɔkpɔvɔmɔ, akposomgbovɔmɔ, batita da kple tɔwo katã woyina ɖe gbetadukɔwo me abe Amerika dukɔwo me. Adzɔdo gama xee, meɖe ŋu gɔme tsɔ va yi. Gake agreement ya wo nenɔ te eƒe blaeve-vɔ-etɔ̃. Eƒe blaeve-vɔ-etɔ̃ ta from the year 2000 va ɖo 2025 yi ke nye ƒe yi ke wo mu va yia. The next part of that agreement emu va yi. Gake dukɔkplɔla yi ke nye Amerika dukɔkplɔla Donald J. Trump gbɔgblɔm be yemega ame ɖeke be Amerika natso eƒe adzɔdonu alo asi gbawo akɔ va Amerika dukɔ me atsɔ gama xe o. Ne be akɔnu akɔ va Amerika dukɔ me kɔ dze be naxe efe ɖe ta. Eyi dzi kra wòse kra be dukɔwo katã nɔxe 10% kpetɔkpetɔ. Edzi gblɔ be yi ke J.A. Kufuor nye dukɔkplɔla le ƒe akpe eve va yi akpe eve ƒe enyi ma. George W. Bush kra eva Ghana. Eva de kpe do ne George W. Bush ƒe mɔ ma yi ke wodo yi ke nye motorway expansion ne tso motorway ŋu kaka va yi to La Paz kɔ N1 ƒe expansion ma. Kadodo yi ke le Ghana kple Amerika dukɔ me yina be dukɔkplɔla ya kra eve Ghana le Kufuor ŋɔli. Ke ŋka kpɔ mimi le gbaa. Le gbaa, katsiatsia yi ke le mía dome gbegblẽm ale gbegbe. Kadodo yi ke le mía dome gbegblẽm ale gbegbe. Amerika dukɔkplɔla meva ɖo Ghana kpɔ haɖe o. Ye ŋutɔ ƒe ambassador yi ke nye substantive ambassador va ame yi ke nye Amerika dukɔkplɔla ƒe teƒenɔla le Ghana kra mekpɔ va ɖo haɖe o. Ame ɖeke meli nenema yi ke wogblɔ be nye substantive ambassador yi ke le Amerika dukɔkplɔla teƒe le Ghana. Ma le Damango MP ƒe nukpɔkpɔ efia be Amerika dukɔ kra mega Ghana kpɔm abe dukɔ ɖe yi ke eme viona vava kpaŋkpaŋ alo Amerika viwo ƒe Ghana vava doado megali abe nenema ene o. Egblɔ nya ma. Ke yi dzi be he said that the relationship has dimmed and it is not the best, explaining that what is happening now should worry everyone. Abu Jinapur noted that the United States remains a global superpower whose engagement with Ghana is critical to the country's economic and foreign policy interests. And he urged the government and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to reassess Ghana's diplomatic posture and tone, cautioning against what he described as increasingly confrontational and poorly calibrated public pronouncements. He argued that Ghana's traditional foreign policy stance of being friends of all and enemies of none appeared to be under strain, citing recent comments by government officials on global conflicts. Takpira kwa bujina kwa iji, epo mfunto. Ebe mia Ghana to, mia po komenye ve, minya hone duko kata, minya futone duko deko. Friends of all, enemy of none. America, ata mia hone fa. Russia, anya mia hone fa. China, anya mia hone fa. Mareke mia po futo. Ale ke mia dojo, ale ke mia do kakle duko kata lebe ohe vide vene duko vio. Ye nye mia po tarojin. Kaka abujina kpɔgblɔm be nya ɖewo, nyagba ɖewo kple ƒegba ɖewo ke do le dukɔkplɔla ƒe ŋutimɔ ŋuti yi ke ke nanewo yiwo ke dzi le xexea me abe Israel kple Palestine ƒe aʋa yi ke wɔm wole. Mi katã mi ɖo ŋku dzi be nya ɖewo do go, nyagba ɖewo do go tso Foreign Affairs Ministry ŋuti. Amerika ɖe afɔ ɖo ŋutsu abe Nicolas Maduro lele agbalẽ do go kaba ŋutɔ tso Foreign Ministry. Togbɔ be Abuja kpe mɔ yema ke ŋkɔ mo gaka medzi be míawo ŋutɔ mi me ɖeviwo mi nyo nya edze be nya teƒe nya ɖo kpe nanewo dzi. Edze be gɔmeɖeɖe alo gɔmesese gobii aɖe nanewo nyawo dzi. Abuja kpɔ gbɔgblɔm be nya ɖewo yiwo ke gblɔm mi le. Nya ɖewo ke gblɔm mi meka ɖe dzi be dzedzem afi ma. He referenced the Foreign Affairs Minister Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa's public accusation of Israel committing genocide, as well as Ghana's posture during tensions involving the United States and Venezuela, where he said Ghana appeared to condemn the U.S., which is claiming to be monitoring developments. He said that cannot be Ghana's posturing, adding that Ghana's positions on international issues must always serve the country's national and economic interests, while reaffirming Ghana's right as a sovereign state to take principal positions on global matters. Mr. Abujanapo emphasized for the need for nuance, strategy, and restraint in diplomatic communication. Ta bore mi amo ejejem pepepe. Abo kujo tobra ko panyaro bro be eh hodomu ikano jim le Israel enye emu enye ho enye holong drania le bebe aleke Israel ano nagbo hum ikonya Palestine ato ɖe dzixɔse alo subɔsubɔ alo anyigba alo ŋka wònyi ta me togbɔ be ele me be Ghana nye ɖokuishi dukɔ yi ke si ŋusẽ le abe ɖokuishi me le dukɔ katã dome hã mehiã be míanɔ nu dem nya ɖewo me o. Eye míawo ɖokui abe mínye xɔlɔ̃ na ame sia ame gake Okudzetɔ Ablakwa ƒe nya yi wògblɔ be nu yi wɔm Israel nye genocide. Evɔ mínya be Amerika le Israel dzia ebe nua nye nu gbãtɔ yi ke enye kuxe na mí. Edzi gblɔ be eyike Amerika dukɔ kura va le Maduro ŋutsɔhɛ ɖe eƒe nazabubu be egbe matsi vɔ̃wo dzram ye dukɔmeviwo kpakple dukɔmeviwo woamatsi kple ama vɔ̃ yiwo kɔm va me Amerika dukɔme. Numawo katã menye nu yi ke wòdze be míaƒo ŋutsɔŋutsɔ kã nenema o. Alabe Amerika be they are monitoring be yewo ƒe ŋku gale Venezuela dukɔ dzi gake nyagblɔ yiwo ke dodom tso mía ŋua ena be ele bɔbɔe be woakpɔ Ghana hã be efutɔ ene alo futɔ dukɔ ene. He called on the government to recommit to economic diplomacy and Ghana's non-aligned tradition, warning that excessive belligerence on the international stage could undermine the country's interests. According to Abujina Paul, all nations today pursue economic diplomacy, and that should be Ghana's goal. And so the full list of countries to be affected by the suspension to come into force in January 21 are Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Antigua and Barbuda, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bahamas, Bangladesh, Barbados, Belarus, Belize, Bhutan, Bosnia, Brazil, Cambodia, Cameroon, Cape Verde, Colombia, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Cuba, Dominica, Egypt, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Fiji, the Gambia, Georgia, Ghana, Grenada, Guatemala, Guinea, Haiti, Iran, Iraq, Ivory Coast, Jamaica, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kosovo, Kuwait, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Lebanon, Liberia, Libya, North Macedonia, Moldova, Mongolia, Montenegro, Morocco, Myanmar, Nepal, Nicaragua, Nigeria, Pakistan, Republic of the Congo, Russia, Rwanda, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Senegal, Sierra Leone, Somalia, South Sudan, Syria, Tanzania, Thailand, Togo, Tunisia, Uganda, Uruguay, Uzbekistan, and Yemen. Oh, wow. Wow, nyasala. Duko kuwe ma yo anya duko yo ke Amerika tonkwe we umaga no babam yo ko duko ma bobwere. Ta yo fri tem de mozo gbale yike yo ko dam gbara ta duko me yo bo ko gre ko duko ma manu. Po jingi ya me le pon ke bla bo de kiagbe wona ya ko ma cheke. Ke ejebo do aranya bo mio ha mia fo tukokura for teponola la America, Ambassador Emmanuel Victor Smith. Apumbe yele mene ma ba ogbogblo ma Ghana ko jo 21st January ropa jimblave panke ke blavo rekia bugamo regana Ghana view no mo zona in America dakari. Visa de oli yiko oyona ba B1 and B2 if you have a B1 nye amekenya ashichala pe visa amekenya ashichage ipanyala vuvu bituenye amekenya moja kachadila apanyala vuvu akpakule veona galashu ina tademo gono rokyo adi kote wa dahome ale le shenya le ka gajarupo ye ya chaji treji ava chashile botadu koma fa otarashin ne be ya va nye moja kachadila romi the strong go va bia fma agba be ko gbo o shirga kakan ni ke ne du koma monoga ble visa ya o gas bo sugo roka ne de panko shirava da alam na ka me fiaba kana troba taga ya America kon Victor Ibrahima gaka gbale mi po roko lodu ko katana glogodo kemi ke nya pona nya be mi tu ko yo me South Africa ponko me South Africa ponko enya na ne ke wonko Nigeria la mosa Togo la mosa ta du ko ya o wo wenye du ko yo ke o teflere o fe mozo banome nana wonku na mhan be mi ma se Benin fanko Benin yako Togo ya yi acho Ghana yi Togo ma yi Benin mi afa Nigeria Benin to koma me se fanko wonku to mi ma se Benin to fanko nana ga wonku na cho emi mi khleme nya be mi ma se Burkina Faso fanko mi ma se Burkina Faso wonku to Burkina Faso yako hapa vota limengo chime Captain Traoré de mse Burkina Faso fonko ko anya ya beating vie kena fi o afritem de du ko kwa mo zo son blore me be o maga va America du comme ka Burkina Faso fonko malum Benin fonko malum South Africa fonko malum kai nya voto to alo do fiave Benin to nye français du ko takpa kanto inare France o mucho America ko susua do fiave Burkina Faso o do na français beta ko susu le France ya e come in America mo nye mo de miano so strong ma ka South Africa de alo nye ba South Africa nye Africa du ko e kenya du ko ya ko ke ka alo du ko e kenya kashino du ko South Africa nye du ko e ke boga u du ko katala Africa ye taya kuma popo ya alo ngi gloma abujina kole be miapo popo miapo ndede ikaka fo dunya du ko fo nyame ikemo du ko fo nyame vivo vuvumo vumemi la to bana mo ko kuya to ablaka mo e tai utongu mia alo enyao nyali ho ona mienya be I-20 visa holders I-20 nyo visa ik sukufio ko yina America to kon vacation nam tao naga pen aton geographe aton que bira ko ni glom le pembe la fa ton pa jona do sukubo na gbo bona va de sukwa bo ina be abale ko glom le ofra ta fanya mena ji adjustment a troga ba o ba le via rolen ke karo me be akamia be amagere fuan ade paton I-20 paton de o de sukufu na o yebo trogbo ha mo jibo gbo o gbagbaje mo no po adjustments ha nke ka de o meto adjustments o yebo trogbo lo rokyoshi akoga liga no du kuma bu nke ka ogboji now they are out of status ifiabe ne gbova deport rokyo ne mo gbova ha no lo deport ke daleka ke ne we o elenyame alabun kakade you are out of status ina gbova Ghana as an out of status one-time immigrant in America apowo nye toga Ghana dukwa ma no go kaka apowo afine be abuo so mo na so mo nya ya we nya nya mi on to mi afa yehude yi blem te fo ma gbogbo ko ava wo dudu nanyo ye nye kuhia alo kuje to fo nya yo blo nya mi nya ma mo joge pire ba ko do mo chuchu pire no trova mi agere enya ogbo magbona
Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only the sky can says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, if only. Sky King says if only, if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. Oh, if only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky, can we rise by helping others? So feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, if only. Sky King says if only, if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, if only. Sky King says if only, if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. Oh, if only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky, can we rise by helping others? So feel your brother's pain.
Yo, nous pouvons mettre d'accord ami, avec Michia, avec TV. aba TV ke gbo miano ndi shandi alebe ano miaƒe ndiwɔna yike yi adzisem enye dzidzɔ nam ale gbegbe be mi wɔna kpɔm alebe mi de miaƒe adze ɖoɖoa me hã egba nye fiɖa ƒe dzinu gbãtɔ ƒe ŋkeke wuiade fiɖa velia ko wonye ta egba ƒe wɔna hã ele tɔxɛ evɔ miame ke le ʋua fia weather alo eyame efa ale gbegbe le egbe ƒe ŋdia me ehã kple eŋtsi nyawo kple eŋtsi ƒe kuxewoe ta madzidzoa mi gegege ɖe miaƒe aɖaŋu alo ŋɔŋlɔwo ke mi kɔ da ɖe miagbɔ gbɔ alebe miaxlɔ na mi messages ke vavam so far maxlẽ ɖewo Dunu Augustine edo gbe na mi good morning Dunu Augustine meda kpɔna va leke ne la miaƒe ƒenyigba TV ƒe ŋdiwɔna ŋdi sia ŋdi alebe dena miaƒe adzeɖoɖo me hã Nana Adoma hã miaŋgbɔ sem good morning meda kpɔna wo Nana Adoma va leke wo hã ne ekpɔ mi ɖo vevie Atsu Ahiale hã miaŋkɔ sem good morning Atsu Ahiale ke mia nɔvi aɖewo yiwo ka wo miakpɔ Honorable Raphael Dogbe hã be ye miaŋkɔ sem ye miakpɔm ɖa Honorable Raphael Dogbe meda kpeno be aleke wo hã ne miaŋkɔ sem Honorable mi Richard Agbesuke hã be ye miaŋkɔ sem dia yo good morning Richard Agbesuke Togbe Volta Anas hã miaŋkɔ sem dia good morning to you Togbe Volta Anas ke miaƒe ŋkpɔla ɖeka yi ke mefa ŋu le mia gbɔ koŋkoŋkoŋ edo hã miaŋkɔ sem tso aƒlawo miakpɔm tso aƒlawo good morning to you Tina miakpɔm tso Fodome good morning Tina Teresa miakpɔm tso Lashibi as usual good morning Esi miakpɔm Esi Tamaklo good morning to you miakpɔm le flat me Jejom hã miakpɔm le Mirage good morning to you miakpe dana miava leke miaŋkɔ sem he ŋde miaƒe adzeɖoɖo me all right Honorable Amos Wilson ha be ya ye miaŋkɔ sem ɖa Honorable Amos meda kpeno ava leke ne ɖeka wɔm kpakple mi okay good morning Honorable Frank Ahaze hã miaŋkɔ sem good morning to you Theresa miaŋkɔ sem good morning Teresi I hope you are fine Mary miaŋkɔ sem tso Adenta good morning to you Rex miaŋkɔ sem tso Soweto good morning to you Rex I hope you are doing well Foster Delali miaŋkɔ sem good morning Delali I hope you are fine also Hilda miaŋkɔ sem tso Deme good morning to you Hilda Moses miaŋkɔ sem tso Aƒlawo good morning to you Moses yeah so I think yeah mi ha akpenamawo Margaret miaŋkɔ sem tso akpenamawo ahoema akpenamawo le ho alebe Dakidre hã be miaŋkɔ sem tso Kasua all right ye miakpɔm tso Kasua so miaƒe messages yiwo ke vavam ye madzidzoa miatso egbetɔ ase ɖe afia ne be wɔna ɖewo dze gɔme nyea wɔna dze gɔme tso gandre sia gandre gake egba me na be egba ƒe yawo yiwo ƒoƒo etsiwo ke dza kple edzotsitsi kple tɔwo hã ena be dze miawɔ asitɔtrɔ ɖeka va ɖo ta me yi ge ŋgɔ fũu ne ƒo gasieke koa miatso egba tɔ akɔkɔ atsi ɖo ŋku yi betɔ ne magbɔ enyea miakplɔm messages ko vava kpɔm be mo xlem messages sugbɔ ale gbegbe ta wo hã tɔ ata va le minute ʋe yiwo ke kpɔtɔ me alebe miawu wɔna ŋu +2332426707773 enye number yi ke dzi na te ŋu ato aɖo adze kpakple mi +2332426707773 awo mi gayɔ mi o menye radio dzi mi le ha ɖo alo mɔkpɔkpɔ ma meli mi me ƒu abomɔ be miayɔ mi o ade ŋu adzeɖoɖo me afia be ŋu ƒona di TV dzi ha ɖo wɔna ɖe mi dze gɔme ƒom siam no ma ɖoɖo ye le ŋu dɔ ƒe ɖe sia ɖe kple yewo ƒe ɖoɖowo ta mi le ƒoƒu amewo ke nye yɔma egegem ɖe wɔna me ta wo ɖo na ŋlɔ wo WhatsApp number na mi alebe ne eŋu le ɖa mi kɔ me exlẽ ge ta number nye +2332426707773 and I really all right Christelle ha mia kɔsem mia fike ne mia kɔsem lo so mi nyafi mi gbogbo na do message ram ne nana magnifique ne miakpom show. All right, maintenant poncho bisanyare ike zu bebli le akpakplo nke na fi o teflere koro fa mozo gbale fa more de hi ke wo cho akogra America do come nchi ha gbaje mianya be menye Ghana du kore kai ke travel opportunity ele block talo hinde do menye Ghana du ko nye du ko the cow nya gbanto evevelia menye Ghana du ko vio kwes America gomo kikra kata glogodua enye America enye mwike America temawo ta menye Ghana tore de yi na da America be yo no fuma lo no na fuma bu kakakaka ge kana de ogbabu yo magogogo. Number 3 America du comme globe mwi ale du comme gare wo alo du magana wo le du ko yo du motora kam mwi ke du comme vio va e wona la America ye America du pro touch ye ve nye yo poke ta kuhei ke Donald Trump gwenye mi ke duko ya me vio va wona la America du comme ala bana va le du kore me ye dome la shio bane ke de mgbono bana kpo do wo melio do kono akika do kyo abo nduge echinoge mi la kpono mi va ho nto mafia ame ke chuna ma jibe ma obere ma jima jigbo do kore ka kpore na me cho Nigeria fia yo nyonvi yo va nyonvi boni yo va le ho fia ye mode de bana de kobier ke le shibe na va do kwa mo o tue to bit yo va to mara fa chile fa la plau yo gare Ghana ko do buka pe va do gora ho ye domele shio mi on to mi gare nyambro ye domele shio ta se di bana ke le shibe de su pole to koya me de su ko kore ga lo da se di bana le shio su pare ke o ta chobe Ghana ko Ghana du kona kpo akoro re jitek ogbo e nya to su kia le le du kwa mo ha do yo wo certificate ho mi ho bana ma de mo be su va va onyo de su ku gba chi onyo de ta mi cho ji du do ale ni alo do kishi do ale ni no wo na ne kameli no mo yo va ba nyon vi va le ho de doka wo la via dun de ko ka via dun yo buna be do ma hineva ele bobwe be ya kpo nkuga ko ja share chacha ko mo va man nkuga kpo mo yo va amabe o menyo la ko kongo re keme ukaka zado to umde nka ogo la fia gun ta na America du ko bo brombe du ko roli o pe du ko me vio va le yo ko du ko ta e mi abie mi recupere le nyate po me de Ghana du ko me vio la America mi lo na be mi America mi o ka nwa po nya san mi o ka ta me be to le mi a le Ghana tonton mu fia la o don ji po la on kan kan yen hiyo na gbo wu fiogo ko mele are dare a plau ba mi o ka ta me fa mu gan to mafia alo mele are ka le kata mi o ka ta la mu to mafia yo ka she passport le yo mo ji mo lo America ba o do de du ka me jo yiga nyonto mi chocho gele mi ar ma aya alun gbo cho po America me du ko po Ghana nyona mi Ghana fana mi anu mi Ghana bom nyaya o nyanya te nya yo ke menye politics pa mo nyo mio de Ghana vio na flito ke fong le yo na America yao itai Donald Trump ya magbeta du ko me vio jimbo wa no yo de pam yo ke ba ma lo sho du ko plora ro va ya o mo we na mo o lo ba me sha na ba o ba ya Trump an ton afofo onye hia manya America to onyo ya Europe du koro mo to fi va ya fuma onye nya o di blo le Trump ban to ko ngoni o bi do pa ji we ha immigrant parents o ta mo gomore ko gwana pira ko kemi pa ta no never a strong yan toto they have Mexican vote America Donald Trump strong yan le shifia non to le ma gbono non ma have Mexican vote wo kokona na ma po da na no ave shikada ene nye model afiode ta ni gbɔmi mi le nye be dukɔ ya ƒe afɔ yi ɖem wole ne be dukɔ mamlɛ mo gava o ɖe afɔɖeɖe nyui wonya ɖewo hiã be wokui dze to ablakpa na ƒo ŋu agblɔ nane hafi wolé ɖe anyi wotsi atsitre ɖe dzi alo Ghanatɔ yiwo ke le Amerika dukɔ me xoxoxoxo hafi NDC kple eƒe dziɖuɖu va yi dzɔ ya dze dukpɔkplɔ ta nya yawoe midzi be miawoe vɔ miakpe de si be South Africa mele dukɔ dome alabe South Africa nye dukɔ ɖe yi ke Afrika dukɔ katã wo yina wova yi kpɔ gbɔdzɔe míasi ɖe afi ya ne eyi lia míagbugbɔ míagadzro enu ɖeka ɖewo me ƒoxi aɖewo yiwo ke mía viwo ebe dukɔmeviwo me tom le Amerika dukɔ me ta nye medzi be magblɔ be nye susue nye ya lo gake mikpe da ɖe dua gbɔ míawo ŋutɔ míalé ŋku ɖe nyawo ŋu akpɔ be edze be Amerika enye dukɔ ɖe ke Ghanaviwo kple Afrikame dukɔviwo nava nɔ ya ɖu me alo míawo ŋutɔ míagbɔ ava tu míade elabe dume nyo mesɔ akpɔ o. Tɔni magbɔ ye kplɔ mi le agbatɔ me gamesu be ma ɖe asi zi aŋtsi gake mi mewɔ vɔ wɔna vovovowo le toa me yi ke mi dada ge ɖe mia gbɔ ta mi nɔ míawo tiviwo gbɔ ne Mawue kɔsiɖa yi ke medze ɖe miɔna ƒe dzoɖaka va ame miakpɔ nɔ ge manɔ mɔ kpɔm ne Honorable Edem Richmond Kofi Kpotoso yi ke nye míaƒe Member Parliament le Ho Central anye nyamekpekpe tɔxɛ aɖe le ganyi yina ɖe ganyi kple afã me eƒo ŋu na mi tso nu yiwo ke nye nuteƒe wòwɔ le ƒe gbãtɔ me ke ne wɔ vɔa akpakple eveawo nye ame kpekpewo yi ke tso NDC kple NPP tɔwo ƒe akpadzia woawo hã woadzo nyame kplim tso nya aɖewo ŋuti hafi mía ayi gbeta dukɔ mamlɛawo me alebe míawoe wònyo. Tadzoɖa gbetɔa is a special edition. Megayi teƒe aɖe ko ŋku kplo susu eno Ʋenyigba TV ŋuti alo nayi ɖe Facebook Ʋenyigba TV alike afollow alebe ne mi dze nane gɔme kɔ akpɔe ɖe fonu dzi fi afi ke nele nage ɖe me kɔsiɖa me ne nyo na mi ke míamewo ke si ku le míamewo ke si ame tɔxɛ aɖewo le kpefafa dzi ke mi ɖeɖe ge gbã mi do baba ne mi katã ne wogbeƒã aɖe le asiwò ne be míaɖe ge ɖe mía dzi Ʋenyigba TV le Jim Fuga Hostel le Poliame le wo afia Tɔni Magbɔ ye kplɔ mi eme ne nyo na mi bye bye.
Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. a torn slip but not by another. We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears are river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that.